Hi guys, in this video we are talk about the 5 best laptops for Photoshop you can buy Amazon. With the advancement of technology, computers have become an integral part of our lives. They have replaced many tasks that were previously done by humans. This is because computers are able to perform tasks much faster and more efficiently than humans. This gives us a lot more time to spend on other things such as our loved ones or hobbies. However, there are some tasks that computers still cannot do without human assistance. This includes photo editing and graphic design, which require a lot of creativity and skill set. Photoshop is the go-to software for photo editing. It's a powerful tool that allows users to edit and manipulate images for print, web, and mobile. If you are looking for the best laptop for Photoshop photo editing, then you have come to the right place. A laptop is one of the most important pieces of equipment that you can have when it comes to photo editing. If you are looking for a laptop with a powerful processor, good graphics card, and plenty of storage space, then you should consider getting one with a dedicated graphics card. With this type of laptop, you can make sure that your images look their best on screen without any image degradation or loss in quality when they are being edited or processed by programs such as Photoshop or Lightroom. You want to invest in a laptop with the right specs for photo editing because it will help you get more done in less time. A laptop that has enough power to handle complex tasks like editing photos is also important because it will speed up your workflow. Here are OnlyBetterOnes. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research in new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature, and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. Number 5. Acer Chromebook. If your photos are always getting stuck in your head and you're always looking for that perfect photo editing laptop, Acer Chromebook is the perfect laptop for you. It's the ultimate laptop for photographers, painters, and anyone who loves to create. With the Acer Chromebook for Pixelbook, you can have a laptop you love with an Intel Celeron N4000, 14 Full HD display, convertible design, and a high-speed 100 GB of Google Drive cloud storage for free. The world's most affordable laptop with a sleek design and a powerful processor. It's time to get a Chromebook. The Acer Chromebook with its Intel Celeron N4000 processor and 4 GB LPDDR4 memory is perfect for photo editing, multitasking, and running your favorite apps. With a designer's approved Intel Celeron N4000 processor, Acer Chromebook is best for multitasking and running your favorite apps while on the go. Acer Chromebooks offer up to 12.5 hours of battery life while seamlessly running the most demanding apps. Acer Chromebooks are made to run Adobe Photoshop, Microsoft Office, and Google's Chrome OS, which makes it easy to work on the go. Get your hands on an Acer Chromebook today. Number 4. HP. HP is your best photo editing laptop if you're a designer, photographer, or artist looking for something on the go. With a sleek design, high-quality picture, and powerful features, it's time to push your creativity to new heights with this HP laptop. Equipped with a stunning 15.6 HD touchscreen, the HP Pavilion 15 gaming laptop provides the power you need for video editing and gaming at home or on the go. The 8th generation Intel Core i5 processor provides multiple cores for faster performance, and the 16 GB of RAM ensures you'll have plenty of room for all of your apps and games. With a touch of horsepower, you can take your photos from ordinary to extraordinary. It's the ultimate laptop, featuring lightweight construction with an impressive HD touchscreen display and cutting-edge performance from up to Intel Core i5 processor. This HP is perfect for any task and for any occasion. Whether you're doing graphics work or everyday computing tasks, a powerful processor delivers the power you need for multitasking. Staying organized is easy with this laptop's space-saving design that includes a fingerprint sensor. Fast boot up with SSD, boot up in seconds, transfer files without waiting hours, and enjoy a snappier experience with the internal solid-state drive 512 GB. Number 3. Acer. Acer Spin is a laptop with all the tools you need for professional video editing or Photoshop. It's built for multitasking and video editing. And thanks to its 512 GB NVMe SSD, you can work on large photo or video projects without interruption. It's time to get in on the latest technology so you can make your own magic. If you love doing photo editing, this laptop best for you. The Acer Spin is your perfect partner for editing photos, videos, and graphic designs. You can also use it to create documents and presentations with the A3 paper scanner included. On top of all that, it has an Intel Core i7 processor and 16 GB of RAM for fast performance. Your next laptop should be ready for the next big thing. Get your hands on the Acer Spin 13, a powerful 2K laptop with 2256x1504 touchscreen display and 10th Gen Intel Core i7 processors. With 16 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 512 GB of NVMe SSD storage, you'll be able to handle even the most demanding projects. You can also video edit or do graphic design on this. This sleek laptop with the cool magnesium aluminum alloy design lets you work and play in style, while the 360 degrees dual torque hinge provides 4 different modes for you to enjoy. So why are you waiting? Number 2. Acer Concept. The Acer Concept Best is made for photo editing laptops, that's why it comes with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Max-Q GPU and 256 GB NVMe SSD. You can also convert it into a tablet or laptop with the included Intel i7 CPU and switch between Windows 10 and Windows 10s in seconds. Acer Concept Best is an ideal laptop for creative professionals. It features a 14-inch Full HD display. This convertible laptop can be used both as a laptop for daily tasks and entertainment and as a tablet for drawing, watching movies, or gaming. Still searching for a laptop capable of photo editing? Acer's Concept Best is the laptop you need to make your photos look their best. This laptop comes standard with a GeForce 1650 Max-Q, and it rocks a FHD display with Gorilla Glass. Perfect for photo editing. The scissor switch keyboard's tactile design and 1.55mm key travel distance allow for a more responsive, comfortable, and quieter typing experience. Featuring password-free Windows Hello login, effortlessly access your device with the fingerprint reader that's built directly into the power button. The full-sized keyboard features soft glowing amber backlight ensuring you can still get things done quickly and easily in even the darkest of rooms. Number 1. Samsung. This is the perfect partner for your creativity. The Samsung Galaxy Book Pro has a powerful Intel Core i7 processor, a big 15.6 screen, and 512 GB of storage. It has Windows 10 Home, an optional pen and keyboard, and an impressive battery life of up to 17 hours. The Samsung Galaxy Book Pro is a premium, cutting-edge Windows laptop that combines the power of a powerful processor and graphics card with one of the fastest SSD storage drives. Equipped with an AMOLED display and fast Intel Core i7 processor, it's the perfect device for photo editing. With up to 16 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD storage and long-lasting battery, this device brings you high-performance graphics and photo editing. Which has a 4K UHD touchscreen display with 10-point multi-touch. This device weighs just 1.3 kilograms and has a long-lasting battery that lets you work on projects all day without worrying about carrying charger or waiting for batteries to recharge. Lightest Galaxy Book laptop, sleek, ultra-thin and available in a stylish, dual-color design, Galaxy Book Pro is the lightest laptop and won't weigh you down. Why can't laptops be more like cell phones? They can when they have PC power that's smartphone thin. Long battery life, so you can use this laptops without electricity. So create your new work life with our number 1 photo editing laptops.